Hey, Dan Passarelli here, wrapping up another week, but next week is the big one. Holy cow, man. There's so much data coming out next week. I don't even know what to think. There's going to be opportunities galore. So keep your head, and these are the things to be thinking about. First of all, earnings season continues, and some of the biggest names, some of the Magnificent Seven stocks, they're going to be announcing next week. Apple, Amazon, a whole bunch of others. That is going to be very key market information with information about the economy. But speaking of information, there's a bunch of numbers next week. We have JOLTS on Tuesday. We have GDP and PCE coming out after that, Wednesday, and then into Thursday. We have the jobless claims, the weekly jobless claims, and then we have the monthly unemployment, the non-farm payrolls on Friday, the first Friday of the month. How the heck is it November, by the way? So all these things are going to be big, key things. On top of that, there's still jitters going into the election, which there's a chance that could weigh somewhat on the market. And there's a lot going on, a lot of trading. The VIX sitting near 20, actually up on a Friday, which is a pretty rare occurrence. It's usually down on Fridays. So we've got some pretty rich volatility to take advantage of if we pick our spots for income trades. And lots to think about, lots to do, lots to trade. Have a great weekend. We'll be ready for it on Monday. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.